Welcome back, nature enthusiasts. Today, we're diving into the world of the most bizarre animals that are so strange, you'll have to see them to believe they exist. Stay tuned as we uncover creatures that defy all odds. The most bizarre animals that defy nature. The unbelievable underwater world. Let's start beneath the waves, where the blobfish resides. This gelatinous creature looks like a grumpy old man and is perfectly adapted to the high-pressure environment of the deep sea. The blobfish, scientifically known as Cycrolutes marketus, is a deep-sea fish that has gained notoriety for its unique and somewhat comical appearance. Here are some interesting facts about the blobfish. Habitat. Blobfish inhabit the deep waters off the coasts of mainland Australia, Tasmania, and New Zealand, living at depths between 600 and 1,200 meters. Appearance. In its natural habitat, the blobfish looks like a normal fish with a tadpole shape, featuring a bulbous head, large jaws, and tapered tail. However, when brought to the surface, it becomes a gelatinous blob due to rapid depressurization. Diet. It primarily feeds on edible matter that floats in front of it, such as deep ocean crustaceans. Adaptation. The blobfish's body is a gelatinous mass with a density slightly less than water, which allows it to float above the seafloor without expending energy on swimming. Conservation. Despite its unflattering title as the world's ugliest animal, in 2013, the blobfish plays a role in the deep-sea ecosystem and faces threats from deep-sea fishing trawlers. The blobfish is a fascinating example of how life can adapt to extreme conditions in the ocean's depths. Its unusual features and adaptations make it a subject of interest and curiosity in the scientific community and popular culture. The winged wonders. In the dense forests, we find the Hoatzin, also known as the stinkbird. This bird has claws on its wings and a digestive system that's more similar to a cow's, making it a true avian oddity. The Hoatzin, known scientifically as Opisthocomus hoatzin, is a truly unique bird that inhabits the swamps, riparian forests, and mangroves of the Amazon and Orinoco basins in South America. Here are some fascinating details about this bird. Appearance. The Hoatzin is about 65 centimeters, 26 inches, long, with a distinctive blue face, maroon eyes, and a spiky, rufous crest. It has a long, sooty brown tail tipped with a broad whitish or buff band. Diet. It has a specialized digestive system that ferments vegetation, similar to a cow, allowing it to eat leaves and buds exclusively. Claws on wings. Young Hoatzins have 2 large claws on each wing, which they use along with their oversized feet to climb and navigate through tree branches. This feature has drawn comparisons to the prehistoric bird Archaeopteryx. Behavior. Hoatzins are social birds, often found in groups. They are known for their loud and varied calls, including groans, croaks, hisses, and grunts, which are associated with body movements like wing spreading. Conservation status. The Hoatzin is currently listed as least concern by the IUCN, but it is affected by habitat destruction and other environmental pressures. The Hoatzin's unique characteristics, such as its wing claws and fermentation-based digestion, make it a subject of interest and intrigue in the avian world. It's also the national bird of Guyana, where it's locally known as the Kanji pheasant. The peculiar predators. When night falls, the ii emerges. With its long, bony middle finger, it taps on trees to find grubs. This lemur's eerie appearance has made it a subject of superstition. The ii, scientifically named Dobuntonia madagascariensis, is a unique and fascinating creature native to Madagascar. Here are some intriguing facts about the ii. Classification. It's a lemur, belonging to the primate family, and is the world's largest nocturnal primate. Physical traits. The ii has rodent-like teeth that perpetually grow, and a special thin middle finger used to catch grubs and larvae out of tree trunks. Foraging behavior. This lemur has an unusual method of finding food called percussive foraging. It taps on trees to find grubs, then gnaws holes in the wood using its forward slanting incisors to create a small hole into which it inserts its narrow middle finger to pull the grubs out. Habitat. Iis spend their lives in rainforest trees and avoid coming down to earth. They are nocturnal and spend the day curled up in a ball-like nest of leaves and branches. Conservation status. The ii is currently classified as endangered by the IUCN due to hunting and habitat destruction. Cultural perception. In Madagascar, the ii is often considered an omen of ill luck and has been killed on sight, which has contributed to its endangered status. The ii is a prime example of Madagascar's unique biodiversity and the importance of conservation efforts to protect such distinctive species. The miniature marvels. In the arid deserts, the axolotl defies aging. This forever young amphibian can regenerate lost limbs and even parts of its brain, challenging our understanding of biology. The axolotl, scientifically known as Ambystoma mexicanum, is a fascinating creature with some remarkable features. Here's what makes the axolotl so special. Neoteny. Unlike most amphibians, axolotls do not undergo metamorphosis from larva to adult form. This means they retain their gills and aquatic lifestyle throughout their lives, a condition known as neoteny. Regeneration. They have an extraordinary ability to regenerate not just limbs, but also their spine, heart, and parts of their brain without scarring, which is a subject of extensive scientific research. Habitat. Originally found in several lakes, such as Lake Xochimilco and Lake Chalco in Mexico, the axolotl's natural habitat has been largely destroyed due to urbanization and pollution. Conservation status. The wild population of axolotls is listed as critically endangered by the IUCN, with numbers dwindling due to habitat loss and the introduction of invasive species. Cultural significance. In Aztec mythology, the axolotl is associated with the god Xolotl, who is said to have transformed into an axolotl to avoid being sacrificed. The axolotl is not only a biological wonder but also a symbol of the delicate balance of ecosystems and the impact of human activity on the environment. These animals may seem like they belong in a fantasy world, but they're very real and part of our planet's incredible biodiversity. Join us next time as we explore more astonishing creatures. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more wild wonders.